Welcome back, AEP 800. This is Jason Lin, and this is Module 15, 5 New Technologies, my fourth video on a new app to me called Kaizena. Kaizena looks really promising. It allows you to leave recorded voice feedback on your students' writing that they turn into through Google Classroom, Google Docs, through shared folders. So if I open up a writing, show you how it works. Since it is an add-on, if you don't have it, you will need to go to your toolbar and press add-ons. I have it installed already. I could just open it. And it will open in a panel on the side over here. If you don't already have it, you would need to go to Get Add-ons and type Kaizena right up here in your search bar and press Return. And you would be able to install it by pressing the button here. So like I said, Kaizena allows you to leave feedback on your students' work. You can leave it in 4 different ways. You could record voice message, you can assign them skills, you can assign them lessons to learn more about something that they're struggling with, or you can type in text message as you can with just Google Docs. So if you want to record a voice message, what you do is you highlight the portion of the project that you want to talk to them about. So let's say I want to talk to them about the first paragraph right here. Highlight it over here. I can choose to change the highlight color if I like, and then just press record message. The first time you do it, it's going to ask you if you want to give Kaizena permission to use a microphone. You'll need to press yes if you want to leave recorded voice messages. And once you're done recording, stop and post. And now you have a 10-second voice feedback message to your student about their first paragraph. Okay. Another way that you can leave feedback is by assigning the students lessons. And those lessons come in the form of video. So for instance, right here, there's an error with formatting APA citation where the student didn't put the citation inside the sentence with a period. So if I wanted to, I could assign them a lesson on how to make APA citations. Now, the lessons are not preset. You have to make an account through Kaizena, and you build your own lessons by adding video. And it's not really hard. All you do is press that you want to make, a new lesson right here. Name your lesson. I already have one for how to make APA citations. And then all you do is go to YouTube and get a link and paste the link in here. And now I can assign this lesson to my student to fix their formatting issues with APA citation. Okay. Another way that you can leave feedback is by talking about different skills. So let's say that there is an error of grammar or punctuation or capitalization with this sentence. I go to skill. I can go ahead and pick the one that I want to talk about. I made this one for conventions. And you assign different levels. So here, if I go to my skills, this is conventions, and I made 4 levels. And what you do is you just type over to describe what each one means. So like level 0, it could just be like requirement not met. And then I have level 1 with a lot of errors with spelling and punctuation. Level 2, some errors, but they make it hard to read. Minor errors, and then like your anchor standard paper. So if I want to assign that, I can tell them how well they did. Level 3, and I could post it. And the 4th way to leave feedback is through text. For instance, here, I started my reference page. I called it Works Cited 1, and 2, it's not on its own page. So if I highlight here and leave a text comment that just says, review the APA formatting video, post. And when the student logs in to check their work, they'll see the highlighting. They can listen to the voice messages. They can review the lessons online. They can see how I feel about their conventions and find other errors in their paper. And that is Kaizena in a nutshell. You can make groups, you can make lessons, and you can make your own rubric skill sets. Thanks for watching.